Well, this is Starlord and Daddy. You remember us from Memoir 44, and this is our second game.
Mm-hmm.
And our second game is my daddy loves this game. And
I do.
Daddy, can you please tell us what this game is?
Yep, this was my choice. It's Formula Day. And this is a really cool racing game that uses dice to determine how fast you go. These kind of tell you how many spaces you can go. It's kind of your gear shift on your car. And it's a really cool game. This is the first time that he and I have played it together. I've played it before with friends, so this is going to be a really good learning experience for him and for me. And also, this will help me decide if I'm ever going to let you drive my car.
Wait, really?
Yes, really.
I'm never driving your car.
No, I don't think you are.
I'm buying a race car when I grow up.
That's not what I want to hear. So,
okay,
we're going to go ahead and play Formula Day. And then, right there. And then we'll come back in a little bit and we'll show you halfway through the game and see how it's going. And we'll go from there. Looking forward to it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You're never going to drive my car?
I'm going to drive. Maybe instead of buying a race car, maybe I'll buy a tank and blow up your car.
Oh, okay. Starlord.
Well, what's going on is we've just passed the third turning position, and we're trying. And now it's my turn. So what's going on is I'm about to turn into
you're shifting
as fast as I can.
So let me explain. So everyone has one of these cards, and this is like a gear shift. So in first gear you go 2 spaces. In second gear you can go from 2 to 4, from 4 to 8, or 7 to 12. Brendan is now coming out of that turn. He's the red car. And you're now going to shift from 5th gear to the very scary 6th gear, right?
Yes.
So now you roll the big blue dice, and you could go 21 to 30. So go ahead and roll it. Let's see what you get.
And I got a 27.
All right. So I think you're going to speed ahead of me now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, so
and,
now what happens in the corner is you've got little flags. What do the flags mean, Brendan?
The flags mean you have to stop at that part, and if you get more than that, you have to use your brakes. And if you lose all 3 of your brakes, like this, like
that right there,
like this, then you can't do anymore. But if you lose your wheels, all 4 of your wheels, you just go in, you just go around and around.
Spin and you start over the track.
And you have to start over.
So that's where he is. So Brendan's in 6th gear.
And now it's my dad's turn.
Hang on. You're in 6th gear, but you can only go, well, we're going to see. Let's see. I am shifting from 5th to 6th.
Like me.
Actually, no, I was in 5th.
And
so, hang on. A 20. So I actually have to roll a dice to see if I damage my car. And I do. So I take an engine damage, but I go 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. And, but I take a point of damage to my engine. And if that happens again,
you blow up.
Yeah, oops. Take it to my engine. Yeah, you don't have to be so excited about that.
Oh, and by the way, at the end of this game, we'll be showing you the rest of the dice. Okay?
Yep. All right. So now you've got to shift.
So now I have to go down twice
because you can only go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So you need to shift down like to here. Yeah, you need to shift down to 3rd.
Okay. So, and I'm rolling the red dice, and I got a 4.
4. So you go there, but what that means is you lose fuel. And you lose brake. And you lose an engine.
And I'll lose my last engine. And I'm going to blow up if I do this again.
Well, then you should drive safely if you're going to drive my car. So, okay, so there you go.
All
right, so that's kind of what's going on with Formula Day. We're going to finish this up and we'll let you know what's happening. Okay, so that's Formula Day. Game was over. I won. Got revenge. A little bit of revenge. Yep. You saw how Brendan was driving. I'm afraid. But both of our cars were in pretty bad shape at the end. I think I had like 1 tire left. I had no brakes, and I had engine damage. And what did you have?
I only had I had 1 more piece of oil left, and I only had 1 engine left, and he did, and I was like this.
Yeah.
I thought his car was going to like bam, and mine was going to do bam too.
It almost did do a bam. So, did you like the game?
Yes.
Did you like it as much as Memoir 44? Mm-hmm. Or did you like Memoir 44 more?
I like both of them.
Really?
Yes.
I think it was kind of cool. The cool thing about Formula Day is Memoir 44 is meant for like 2 people, unless you have a lot of sets together. Formula Day, you can have like 6 people, 8 people play the game. That's really cool.
That's why there's a bunch of cars.
There's a bunch of cars.
Before we're done, we would like to show you the dice because we forgot.
Oh, you can show them the different dice.
This is the first one. If you want to go very slowly, this is the first one. It's one. It goes to 1 to 2. This one, this orange one is 2 to 4.
Yep.
And the red one
this is third gear.
Is 4 to 8. And the green one is 7 to 12
Yep.
And this purple one is 11 to 20. And this big one that I use at the end, that's 21 to 30.
Yep.
So if you want to play this, you should try to you could, if there's no more of them, you could come to our house and play it with us, you could play it by yourself. But the most important thing is that none of our cars just boom.
That's pretty important.
Just got blown up.
So if you're playing this, this is a cool game because you can play it with people, older people and younger kids. It's all about counting and kind of figuring out, managing your spaces and kind of figure out what dice you're going to use at what time. So it's a really neat game. I know TBS Comics locally has it. There's a lot of places that have Formula Day. If you like racing games, if you like this kind of thing, it's a good game, all around, I think, young or old. So go ahead.
At the end, we forgot to show you this one. This is the
dice.
damage. This is the damaging dice.
Which we had to roll more than one time.
Yes, more than once.
So we're going to take a break, and then we're going to do our next game, which the Starlord gets to pick. Okay?
And that's the coolest. I like that one.
Oh, really? Well, we'll see. It is a pretty cool game.
Yep.
See ya.